How to fix Android apps keep crashing. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can solve the problem of your Android app keep crashing. If any day you are an Android user and your Android application keeps crashing, none of the problem that may be because there may be some kind of update or the software update on your very device and you may not have updated it. Therefore you have to install if there is any kind of software update right here. Sometime the next very option regarding it is that your storage may be full on your very device. To check it, you can go to the option of apps on your very device. After proceeding to the apps on your device, you can just proceed to the very last and go to the option of storage and see whether you have good storage or not. If your storage is about to get full, then that also may be one of the problem. Therefore, you can clear out your very storage by going to the recycle bin and then just clearing out all of those Gary option that you do not want by tapping on the option of empty, which may solve your problem as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.